Okay, today we're going to be taking notes on multiplying polynomials. And we are going to multiply a monomial times several polynomials. In our first example, we're going to use the distributive property to multiply a monomial, 3x squared. Remember, it's called the monomial because it's only one term, times the trinomial, 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. And remember, that's called the trinomial because you have three terms. And you guys should be familiar with the distributive property. Since 3x squared is in front of the parentheses, I'm going to distribute it to everything inside the parentheses. So 3x squared times 2x squared. 3 times 2 is 6. And in total, I'm multiplying 4 x's together. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3x squared times 4x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. And x squared times x, remember there has an invisible 1, I am multiplying a total of 3 x's together because 2 plus 1 is 3. Remember, when you multiply, you add the exponents. And then finally, 3x squared times 1 is just 3x squared. And so here I have it. I multiplied a monomial times a trinomial, and that is my answer. There is another way of doing the exact same thing, which is sometimes easier to organize. Basically, all you do is take the monomial, which is 1, and I write it on one side of the box with one row because I'm multiplying a monomial. And then my trinomial, I'm going to put each term on a column by itself. I have 3 terms, so I'm gonna need a total of 3 columns for it. Alright, 3x squared times 2x squared. All I'm doing is I'm multiplying one side times the other side. So 3x squared times 2x squared is 6x to the 4th power because 2 plus 2 is 4. 3x squared times negative 4x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. And then x squared times x is x cubed. Because 2 plus 1 is 3. And then the last thing is 3x squared times 1. That is the same thing as just 3x squared. And so I ended up with 6x to the 4th plus, or actually that is supposed to be a minus, minus 12x cubed plus 3x squared. All I did was, once I multiplied, I added everything inside my box together. And I ended up with the exact same thing I started off with.